Samurais are the most well-known classes of people in Japan, and the counterparts, the ninjas, are well-known in Japan as well as throughout the world through various TV shows and anime such as Naruto. Samurais and ninjas were the major warriors back then in ancient Japan, and they were accompanied by pirates and ronins, which were basically master samurai who did not have a sensei or a teacher. So you might be wondering, why am I talking about samurais? Nobody cares, right? Like, they're not related to the modern world apart from their action scenes and their cartoon characters such as Naruto, which I mentioned again. Lately I've been reading a novel. It's about a 13-year-old who is on a journey to become a samurai, and in that journey itself I found a lot of aspects inspiring, such as the discipline, the honor, the courage, the politeness, even being a samurai, and of course martial arts. Everybody needs those nowadays. So through this talk I would like to tell you who a samurai really was, and what was his code of conduct, and how it implies in the modern world and could change it. So samurais are basically vassals to the daimyo, who was a landowner and governed a huge piece of land apart from the emperor, the main emperor who headed the daimyo. Samurai were vassals apart from the fishermen, tribals, merchants, etc. But they had a huge sense of respect and honor compared to them. So the samurai is expected to follow a code of conduct known as Bushido back then, which students are nowadays expected to follow discipline, which does not really apply to them. So Bushido was derived from two words back in Japan: Bushi, which means samurai, and Do, which means the way of. So Bushido means the way of the samurai. It has 7 aspects to it, which were politeness, benevolence, kindness, courage, etc. And I would like to tell you how they could imply in the modern world. Examples are politeness. No, brothers and sisters nowadays cannot live without fighting at least 10 times a day. And brothers being elders or sisters being elder do not have that sense of politeness towards their younger ones, thinking that maybe we should set a role model being polite and teach them how to be polite. And yeah, and the second one is that the world has lost benevolence. When was the last time you helped a poor old man, gave him some food, some money? Yeah, and kindness. The world has lost kindness. The terrorists nowadays have become ruthless and do not even think twice before attacking their opponents, without any reason, just because they've been instructed so. So I believe that if the world followed Bushido now, every individual of this world followed it, every individual in this world could be as great as a samurai back then in the ancient Japans. Thank you.